Ready.
This particular product is a Bullfang Tree Shield. These come in actually 4 different lengths that are available. The primary first 3 are 13-inch wide, meaning they will cover up through and around a 4-inch caliper tree. And my wife Joyce is going to install this, noting that there is a strip that you remove that has an adhesive piece behind it, such that it can go around the tree trunk, get wrapped around, and then be self-adhesive. This product has the capability to last a number of months, up to 24 months, I believe, as a matter of fact. I've had one on a tree up to 7 months myself before. But this can be used to either help protect that tree trunk from overspray from weed kill, help eliminate some of the damage by the sapsucker, and with the peppermint scented outer layer, it is also a deer deterrent. Thank you. Appreciate it.